Unbox natin right now guys is one of the budget phones na meron ni Redmi, and this is the Redmi A7 Pro. So bagong-bago lang siya, no? Obviously it's new. Kahit after 2 years, new pa rin nakasulat dito. So walang magbabago sa box. Malaki ka ng display, 6.9 inch, 6,000 mAh ang battery, up to 8 gigs of RAM, pero 4 plus 4 lang siya. 64 gigs of storage, which is for me, feel ko mabibitin ka. Ang processor is a Unisoc T7250. So wala natin. Alam naman natin, pag yung medyo entry level na budget phone ni Xiaomi, ganito unboxing experience. So let's just quickly check the things inside. Though it's budget friendly, pero may kasama pa siyang jelly case. Dito ka ng user guide, warranty card. We get your jelly case, the transparent. And dito nakatago ang kanyang charging cable, yung charging brick. Na, not sure ko ilang watts to, no? Pero, pula ko, mababa lang. So, ito ka ng SIM ejector pin. And, basa natin yung phone. Ito ang specs. Pause mo na lang kung gusto mong basahin. So, just quickly peel it off. Ito yung itsura na sa likod. Plastic back, plastic frame, expected naman. Ito ka ng camera module, isa lang gumagana dyan. Redmi. Medyo ano siya, hindi naman super kapitin ng smudges. Pero at times, pag medyo oily kamay mo, makita mo there's some marks dito sa likod. Now, this is how it looks like sa side. Sa ilalim, nandiyan ka ng auto jack. Sa ibabaw. And nandito ka ng SIM tray. Pwede ka mag-expand ba ng micro SD dito. Now, pag tinignan mo naman siya, ganito yung itsura niya, teardrop notch pa rin, 26 na, makapalakan ng baba, and that's basically it as of now. Naka-unbox lang natin, no? And 400,000 points na Antutu benchmark score, which is, well, T7250 na Unisoc. Expected naman na ganun lang ganun score. Now, kung gusto mo malaman kung okay siyang bilhin o hindi, abangan niyo yung full review natin sa aking YouTube channel. And I'll see you there. Bye-bye you.